Hi everyone, it's Yeba with Spark Plugin, and today I'm going to show you how you can hide specific blocks on Squarespace using Spark Plugin's block visibility customization. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you first how you can hide blocks so they don't show up on mobile view. So we are going to switch to mobile view for this, obviously. And let's say we just didn't want this image here to be on mobile. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the image. If it was a different block, we would click on that. And we're going to scroll down to block visibility. So as you can see, I turned it on, and since it says hide on mobile, it'll automatically hide it. If we wanted it to hide on desktop, then it'll show on mobile and hide it on desktop. But for instance, we do hide on mobile, and there you go, it disappears. Okay, so that is very easy, and the same thing goes with the desktop view. So we're back here, and as we can see, we can't see it on mobile, but we can see it on desktop. But if we wanted to make it so that it hides on desktop and shows on mobile, we can also do that. So let's go back to mobile view, and there you go, we can see it. So I wanted to show something a bit more complex. So sometimes we have images that don't work on mobile, but they work for desktop. So we need two different images, and we can do that with this customization. So I want to show you real quick with desktop. Let me go full screen so you could see better. We have this block section over here where we have some text and an image. And as you can see, there are two images stacked on each other, but we don't see both, right? And that is because we are using our block visibility customization to show this one on desktop and the smaller one on mobile. So I'm going to click on the bigger one. And as you can see, we have block visibility on, and it shows that this image is hidden on mobile. So if I were to turn it back on and hide it on desktop, it's hidden, right? So let's go to mobile. And we can still see the mobile one, obviously, because the mobile one is on. As you can see, it's smaller, it fits to the screen. But if I were to select it and change it to hide on mobile, now we can see the desktop one, which is way too small. Okay, so don't get confused, but this one is the original desktop one that we don't want to be shown on the mobile site. So we are going to go back to desktop view, and as you can see again, we can see the small one. It is way too small. So what we're going to do is we are going to select the small one, and we're going to put hide on desktop so it shows up on the mobile. And then we're going to go back here, and I'm going to remove this mobile one. And as you can see, this one on the bottom is the desktop one, and we're going to select it, and we're going to put hide on mobile, and I'm going to bring this back here. And as you can tell, now all is right. The correct image is showing on desktop, and it's the perfect size for this. It's not too small. So as you can see, this one is hidden on mobile, and this one is hidden on desktop. So just to kind of review this, just in case that got confusing, the way that you do this is you stack two images together, and then you use Spark Plugin's customization, the block visibility, and you play around with it where you're like, they're stacked on top of each other still, but you're like, I want this bigger one to be hidden on mobile and only shown on desktop, so that's this one. And then you would select the smaller one, and you would make it so that it would be hidden on desktop and shown on mobile. Hopefully that helps. So that's it. Now you successfully have hidden a block on mobile or desktop using Spark Plugin. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you want to try out the block visibility customization for yourself, make sure you go to our website, which is sparkplugin.com, and sign up for your 14-day free trial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.